In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to shop on AliExpress using cash on delivery if it's available in your country. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up your preferred web browser and head on over to AliExpress. Once you're there, you'll be greeted by a vast array of products that range from electronics to fashion and everything in between. AliExpress, as you may know, is a treasure trove of items that cater to virtually every interest and need. The key here is to take your time to explore and browse through the numerous categories available. Whether you're looking for the latest gadget, a unique piece of clothing, or something special for your home, AliExpress is likely to have what you need at competitive prices. As you explore, you can make use of the search bar conveniently located at the top of the page to search for specific products or browse through the deals and highlighted collections that AliExpress offers. Once you find a product that catches your eye, click on it to view more details. Here you have the opportunity to review the product specifications, check the customer ratings, and scroll through user reviews to ensure it meets your standards and expectations. It's always a good idea to double-check the seller's rating and the number of orders, as these can provide useful insights into the reliability of the seller. After confirming you found the right product, you'll want to add it to your cart. Take a moment to review your cart to ensure you have everything you need and that all the details, like size, color, or quantity, are correct. When you're ready to proceed, navigate over to the checkout page. At this stage, you'll be prompted to select a payment method. This is where you choose cash on delivery, provided that this option is available in your country. Cash on delivery can be a convenient and secure payment method, as it allows you to pay for your package when it arrives at your doorstep. This can be particularly useful if you're not comfortable entering your payment information online, or if you simply prefer handling transactions in cash. With the payment method selected, complete any remaining details required for your order and confirm your purchase. After this, your job is essentially done. It's time to sit back, relax, and wait for your package to arrive, knowing that you've successfully shopped on AliExpress with the peace of mind that cash on delivery brings. And there you have it. Shopping on AliExpress with cash on delivery is as simple as that. I hope this tutorial has been helpful, and remember, always be sure to review the seller details and product reviews to ensure a smooth shopping experience. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping!